Assalamualaikum and greetings to everyone. So today I would like to present about the import, export and process documentations. Focus on Orange Overseas Container Lines or OOCLs. So this is our member, Muhammad Imam Rais, Muhammad Aziz, Muhammad Ifan Aras, Muhammad Ifan Aizat, and the last one is Muhammad Danish. So we're going to the introductions.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Danish. I will explain about the introduction. As we know that global connectivity has simplified cross-border exchange, making shipping the primary backbone of trade due to its massive scale and containerization standard. There are few key points to highlight. First, market dynamics. It connects different parts to tight budget with extreme innovation and green mandates. Second, OCL role. It connects different parts of the world through the reliable maritime transport and logistics solution. Finally, the digital future. Real-time cargo tracking and reliable schedule drive modern competitiveness. Next, we look at the company background. Orient Overseas Container Line or OOCL. OOCL was founded in 1969 by C.Y. Tang and is headquartered in Hong Kong. It is an international company in transportation and logistics. In terms of heritage, OOCL is a pioneer in container shipping development. For expansion, it is a part of OOIL Group and was acquired by POSCO Shipping Holdings in 2018. Lastly, OOCL provides full service, not only ocean transport but also land-based logistics, warehousing and technology-driven cargo trade.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ifan Aizat bin Muhammad Ridwan. For custom documentation, it consists of three main components which bill of lading, commercial invoice and packing list. The first document is the bill of lading, which serves as a legal contract between the shipper and the carrier, a receipt of goods and also a document of title that prove ownership. The second document is the commercial invoice, which provides detailed information about the goods, including the value, quantities, and description. The document is essential for custom authorities to assess the appropriate duties and tax. The third document is the packing list, which outlines the physical detail of the shipments such as weight, dimension, and packaging structure. Is a site custom officer in conducting inspection efficiency. For preparation of custom form, the preparation of custom form involves submitting shipment information through the U-Custom system. First, all required documents such as the invoice and packing list are collected. Next, the HS code is determined for proper classification of goods. Then the information is entered into the system for submission. Finally, all details are checked to avoid error or delay. For essential endorsement, there are three elements: custom approval, shipping line, and bank legal authority. The first endorsement is custom approval, which confirms that all duties and tax have been properly assessed and paid, and that the shipment complies with all regulatory requirements. The second endorsement is provided by the shipping line such as OOCL through the stamping of the bill of lading. The serve are confirmation of the carrier responsibility for the transportation of goods. The third endorsement involves bank or regulatory authorities, particularly in case involving letter of credit transaction or control goods. This endorsement ensures that payment security and legal requirements are fulfilled.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Faras bin Muhammad Fuad, and now I want to present about import and export process flow. So first of all, for the import process starts with booking. Then the goods are shipped from the origin country. A bill of lading is issued. When the goods arrive, custom clearance is done. Finally, the goods are delivered to the customer. Next, for the export process starts with booking through a forwarder. Next, documents are submitted and approved. The goods are sent to the port. Then they are loaded onto a ship And finally, the goods are cleared at the destination country. Next, for the inland container depot. An inland container depot, or ICD, is a dry port located away from the seaport. It is used for storage, custom clearance and distribution. It helps reduce congestion at ports, makes processing easier, and improve the movement of goods for inland areas. Yes. Yes.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Iman Rais bin Aditullah. Next, I want to present about custom, compliance, and officers. This slide explains custom, compliance, and common officers under the Custom Act 100/1967. Compliance is important to ensure smooth and legal operation. These are four main offences. First is misdeclaration, giving false or incorrect information. This can lead to heavy fines. Second, smuggling, moving goods without proper declaration, which may result in seizure and penalties. Third, undervaluation, declaring lower value to reduce tax with penalty up to 10 times and the unpaid penalty. Last, late submission, failing to submit document on time, causing delay and extra charge. Overall, strict compliance is necessary to avoid penalties and ensure efficient trade operation.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aziz Muhammad Zaki. So I'm continue for the case study. So for the case study, I choose the import from China to Malaysia and export from Malaysia to United States. So today, our case study is about the Orange Overseas Container Line, or OOCL. So OOCL is the international container shipping that provide a logistic and sea transportation service around the world. So the company have many shipping routes in Asia and Europe and also in America, which make suitable for import and export activity. So for the import routes, the cargo is transported from the China to the Malaysia, and China is one of the biggest manufacturing country in the world and export a products such as electrical, machinery and consumer goods. So OOCL also help the transport this good from the China port to the Malaysian port. After receiving in Malaysia, the cargo will go through the custom clearance before being delivered to the local importer. So for the exporter, the cargo is transported from Malaysia to the United States. Malaysia export many products such as manufactured goods, electrical components and also a raw material. OOCL use in Trans-Pacific shipping service to ensure that products are delivered safely and efficiently to the United States. So next, the selected import and export routes show the important role of the Orange Service Container Lines connecting the trade between the country. So the import route from China to Malaysia and the export route from Malaysia to United States show how the OOCL support the international business between the efficient shipping service, good transportation infrastructure, and reliable logistic management. So I will show and I will explain about the documentation and more details. So next, first, the K1 form. So for the K1 is the import declaration used in Malaysia. It is suitable to custom when goods imports into the country. So and then the next is the K2 form. K2 is for the export. export declaration form. It used to when the goods are export from Malaysia to the other countries, such as Malaysia and US. So another important document is a bill of lading or BOL. This document is issued by the shipping company as a proof that the cargo have between the receipt and will be delivered to the correct destinations. So next is the packing list. So for the packing list is the contain detail about the cargo, such as the quality, weight, size, type, and the goods inside the shipments. So the lastly is the COO, Certificate of Origin. This document show that where the goods from and produced or manufactured. It is important for customs and trade arrangements between the country. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Lastly, for conclusion, custom documentation plays a vital role as a vital backbone of OOCL international shipment. Key documents such as the bill of lading, commercial invoice, and custom declaration are not just administrative requirements, but also legal instruments that ensure goods can move smoothly across international border. Because this document carry significant legal importance, any error, missing information, or insurance can lead to serious consequences. This may include financial loss, shipment delay, and even legal complication. Therefore, strict compliance with the regulations such as Customs Act 1967 and other international trade law is essential. By following this rule carefully, OOCL can maintain operation efficiency, reduce risk, and protect its global reputation as a reliable shipping company. This is our reference. That's all from us. Thank you.